Okay, so this video is a supplement to my last one. This is basically intended to chronicle my conversation with the four individuals that popped up out of the woodwork today. Mr. at Kajiki, along with his three other friends. These are the comments we exchanged today. We've got Mr. Jordan Taylor there, and myself, and Mr. Kajiki exchanging sentiments. And most interestingly, we have this individual who's actually using the tail number for the aircraft for their handle. So are we dealing with the actual pilot here? It's a pretty easy guess. Here we have Mr. Cool Hand Luke. You know, what's amazing about these guys is they're smart asses. You know, they're hiding behind a computer and buzzing around in their fucking helicopter, talking a lot of shit. But, you know, they won't walk up to me on the street. They won't call me up on the phone. You know, that's all they're going to do is they're going to fly around like a bunch of fucking cowards. And they're going to pop up out of the woodwork for some reason 2 days after I busted Goodyear blunt for buzzing our town once again. So, yeah, here you go, ladies and gentlemen. 6 months after I posted this video, we got four clowns coming out of the woodwork, talking trash, and basically proving that I was right. You know, this here is priceless. This is great. This guy here's got his own channel, flying around in the helicopter. Who would have guessed it? So here you go, ladies and gentlemen. They don't even seem to care, by the way. If we can scroll back here. My neighbor is actually the communications director for the airport. And they don't give a shit. You know? Pretty amazing. I'm sure she's going to love to hear that. All right, folks, there you go. Watch out for clowns, clowns in the sky.